And we're back to learning Affinity in a year, day 46. Let me show you how you can create polygons. We have a polygon tool right here where the rectangle tool is. If you can't find it, you can also right click on this box and then you should see the list. Just left click drag to create it, and when you left click drag and hold shift while you do, this constrains right here width and height, so the aspect ratio will be 1 by 1. Let us delete that. We'll start from scratch. I'll hold shift, and at the top you can see the sides option. By default that should be 5. The lowest is 3, which is a triangle then, but you can go up relatively far. And make that an octagon. You can easily rotate it here. And there's also a curve option. By default, you should set that to 0. 100% will blow it up until you have a circle. And you can even go in a negative direction. Let me go back to a pentagon right here. And you can see that this is simply the bend curve. So between the sides that you've set, in my case here 5, 0 will always be a straight line. And then minus 100% will be a curve inwards. And then plus 100% will be a curve outwards until you've got a circle. And this can create polygons in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.